everyone. Welcome back. Today we have a question for the ISI. The questions that come in the starting of the ISI BSTAT paper, and this is just like one of them. So this is a simple Diophantine equation, and we have to find the number of solutions, obviously for x and y belonging to integers for this particular equation. Now do pause the video and try to solve it, and after you have tried, let's discuss a good method to solve this by taking uh, it as an it as a quadratic equation in one variable. So we're pretending like we don't know that we're pretending that one of the variables is a constant. So let's say I take y as a constant here, and it won't make any difference because obviously the quadratic formula would always make sure that doesn't happen. So 2x square plus 2y times x plus y square minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0, and plugging in we would get now obviously while solving Diophantine equations, we always try to find the constraints just like we do in physics. So the first constraint is obviously that x belongs to an integer, and because the term uh, this term is divided by 2a, so I want to make this whole term congruent to 0 mod of 2a, of course. But well, this does not work in this case well, because there's a smaller solution to it. Basically, if I do that, minus 4y square plus 16y minus 16 is congruent to 0 mod of 2y. Sorry, minus 2y plus minus is congruent to 0 mod 4. Then I would just basically have this minus 4y square plus minus 16y minus 16 is congruent to 2y mod 4. And if you further calculate it, you would just be left with y is equal to 2k, such that k belongs to integer, which is not trivial, obviously. You can try plugging in x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, and that won't help either. So another thing is to try to take b square minus 4ac to be greater than equal to 0, because of course you need real roots if you want integers, right? So b square minus 4ac greater than 0 in this case would give you minus 4y square plus 16y minus 16 is greater than equal to 0, which is just 4 times y square minus 4y plus 4, and this is just the square of y minus 2. So this is only valid for y is equal to 2, and hence the question is basically solved. So there's a lot of questions like this in the ISI BSTAT exams, first few questions, and you would definitely come through questions like these, or probably simple recursive relations, or something like an arithmetic progression or something like that. So this is one of them, and obviously now you can just plug in the value of y back in the equation. So the equation was this, and now we're left with so this would be x square plus 2x minus plus 1 is equal to 0. So x plus 1, and here we have x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 2. So Yeah, this is our only solution, so number of solutions of the set is 1. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and I will come back with a few questions on a mock olympiad paper of mathematics in IIT Bombay. Yeah, thanks a lot.